Exercise 1 is jump squats. So we're taking normal, which is used to build the hamstring in the squats, and we're adding an explosive element by jumping up into the air. Jump squat increase your explosive power, improve your upper and lower body strength, and burn calories faster than regular squats. Exercise 2 is jump lunges. It consists of jumping high in the air and switching your forward foot before landing. It helps develop and improve your lower body strength and power, as well as challenge dynamic stability and coordination. Exercise 3 is lateral bounce. Lateral bounce target the muscle of the lower body, hips, thighs, glutes, ankles, and feet, and stabilize your muscle of the core. Exercise 4 is A-skip. So we're on our toes bouncing and then we're driving one knee up at a time, and as we drive, one knee up at the opposite arm drives out front as well. So this is working on those lower legs. As we hop on the spot, you're going to feel it burning your calves, but also engaging those hip flexors, which are really important for explosive speed. Exercise 5 is reverse lunge knee drive. Drive your right knee up toward your hands, maintaining that 90-degree angle. Immediately go back into a lunge and repeat with the same leg for the full 30 seconds. Reverse lunge activate your core, glutes, and hamstring. Exercise 6 is tuck jumps, are a type of plyometric movement which can increase the rate of muscle contraction, increase power output, enhance muscle performance, and ultimately result in enhanced athletic performance. Exercise 7 is high knees, are a cardio-intensive exercise performed at a fast pace. It engages your core, strengthens all the muscles in your legs, gets your heart rate up, and improves momentum, coordination, and flexibility. Exercise 8 is heel flicks, improving your acceleration and endurance, burning calories, strengthening your leg muscle, and improving your cardiovascular health. Exercise 9 is kneeling jump. Swing arms and hips back. Quickly swing arm forward. As arm continue to travel upward forcefully, extend hips so knees and feet along entire body is thrown upward. Then swiftly pull legs forward and land on feet with arms in front of the body, and kneel back down on floor and repeat. Kneeling jump target your glutes and quad, but also focus on secondary muscles including the hamstring, hip, flexor, and core, making them ideal to include in a lower or full body workout. Exercise 10 is calf jumps. Calf jumps are a great leg exercise. Start by standing straight with little no to bend at the knees. Calf jumps make your calves better, stronger, and leaner.